Under Audio and Video, select Transcribe Audio. Provide a name for the recording and select one of the 3 options for transcription types. If there are multiple speakers in the recording, you may select Yes and then enter the number of speakers. If you haven't already, input the audio file and then click Generate. You will receive an email shortly containing your transcription. Now, under the same drop-down, select Action Items. Copy the transcription ID you have received previously from your email and paste it in the container. Any additional instructions that aren't present in the transcriptions can be entered below if needed. Once complete, you can click Generate and await your results. A simplified list of tasks will be visible shortly. As always, till next time.
Brainiest.